In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot in Microsoft Word. Copilot is Microsoft's built-in AI assistant that can help you draft content, rewrite paragraphs, summarize long sections, and kickstart ideas without leaving your document. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, and how to verify that it's ready to use. Start by opening Microsoft Word like you normally would. Give it a moment to load to the home screen or any document, either one is fine. Next, move to the top left corner and click the Files tab. Depending on your version, this might appear as File or Files, but it's in the same spot. This takes you to the Backstage view where Word's app-level controls live, separate from your document content. From here, look for Options. It's typically toward the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click it to open the Word Options window. This window is where Word keeps most of its personalization and feature toggles, and it's the right place to enable Copilot. In the Options menu, look for a section or sidebar labeled Copilot. The exact wording can vary slightly across updates, but you're aiming for anything clearly marked Copilot. If you see it, select it to reveal the available settings. Now, tick Enable Copilot. This tells Word to switch on AI features within the app. You might notice a brief pause while the setting is applied. Make sure you're connected to the internet because Copilot relies on online services to work properly. Some organizations manage these features centrally, so if the checkbox is grayed out, it could mean your admin controls access. Otherwise, once the toggle is on, you're set. After enabling, return to your document. You should now see a Copilot icon in the Home tab. It usually appears alongside other creation and editing tools, and it's easy to spot. Clicking the icon opens the Copilot experience where you can ask for help, drafting, refining tone, or summarizing text. If the icon doesn't appear right away, try switching tabs and coming back to Home to refresh the ribbon. Occasionally, Word may prompt you to relaunch, but if it doesn't, there's no need to restart. That's all there is to it. Open Word, go to the Files tab, select Options, find the Copilot section, enable it, and confirm the icon is visible on the Home tab. With Copilot ready, you can work faster and write with more confidence right inside Word. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded workflow.